guys, it's Dragon. Today I'll be showing you how to make some slime. It's going to be a little bit like sticky, but it's still slime, so it's going to feel weird. So you'll need a little container. Then you're going to fill it with some salt. Just sprinkle some in there. All of my container's wet, so it's stuck. So then you're going to add some soap. I didn't have hand soap, but I prefer hand soap, so I just got some dish soap. I'm going to add a little bit in there. It's barely even coming out, so I'm going to have to add a little bit. Hurry up, come out. That's enough. Then you're going to add a little bit more salt on top. Just add some in your hand. Sprinkle some on. Okay, so then you're going to grab, I just have this old Sharpie. I'm just going to mix it with. And it looks disgusting. If you want, you can make more. So I'm going to do that because I want to make a lot. So I'm going to add some more soap. Come out. Okay. That came out a lot. And add some more salt. I learned this from my friend, my cousin, Ariana. She's like a master. Like, hers is purple and some more clear. Mine's gonna be blue today. I know you can't see that, but put in some blue. You don't have to freeze it, kind of, but like, put it in the refrigerator. Yeah, looks nasty. So that's what it looks like. Oh, you probably can't see that. It looks weird. Can you see that? You can see it. It's blue. So if you want it to be more like dry and not stick your hand, I'm gonna add some more salt. That's what you can do. You can add some more salt to it. Because salt makes things dry. If you want more sticky, add more soap. See, I still have a full one of these under my sink. So. Okay, I feel like this is going to be really dry, so I might add a little more of this. See, if you want to make a lot, get a whole cup and just go all of it. Okay, so now it might look like a turquoise color, like way lighter than the blue or whatever color you have. Then you're going to put it in the fridge for a couple days, and then once you come back in like 4 or 5 days, it will be weird and gooey. I asked if I can make some at my friend's house, and she's like, if you want to stay here longer, I was like, okay. But her parents don't know. So. Okay, so just for fun, I'm gonna eat some salt. That much. Never mind. It's really horrible. And really sour. So I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. Oh, I also added some water to it. So it looks like a lot, but it's not really that much. It's water. And you add color to it. Add coloring. So let me go put this in the fridge. You're not even gooey though. I'm discussing so much you somewhere else. See? Let's go put it in the fridge. So in the next video of goo or slime, I'll show you how it is when it comes out of the fridge. But the other 2 videos are going to be with my hair. I'll be doing my hair in one. I will be using a vacuum for my hair in the other. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow to my channel and turn that post notification on so you can see when I make new videos. So, bye!